This lesson will describe the different types of literacies in our society today. The traditional definition of literacy is the ability to read and write. However, with the advent of technology, global communications, multiculturalism, linguistic diversity, and mass migration, the definitions of literacy have expanded. A more updated definition of literacy is that it is the assembling of social practices within a specific context. The first type of literacy that we will discuss is information literacy. Information literacy is the ability to recognize when information is needed and have the ability to locate, evaluate, and use information both legally and ethically for a specific purpose. Digital literacy includes the skills that you need to live, learn, and work in a digital-based society and economy. Digital literacy includes the skills needed to use different information and communication technologies such as the internet, the World Wide Web, social media, and different software applications. Digital literacy may include how to properly use the privacy settings on social media, how to compose a text or an email, how to find information using search engines on the World Wide Web, how to participate and engage in social media, and how to create web pages. Computer literacy is the ability and knowledge to be able to use different computer software applications, understanding how to open a file, save a file, use the keyboard, use a mouse, and be able to utilize the basic functions of a computer. Financial literacy includes the skills needed to make informed decisions about your finances. This includes the skills used to balance your budget, to understand the difference between income and expenses, understanding the different options of saving money for retirement, including IRAs and Roth IRAs, 401ks, pensions, mutual funds, stocks, and bonds. Understanding credit, credit cards, mortgages, interest that you accrue when you're saving money, and interest when you pay when you are borrowing money. Cultural literacy is related to cultural competency. It relates to the skills needed to show empathy and understanding of other people's cultures. Cultural literacy can relate to anybody who wishes to learn other languages, rituals, customs, and social mores from other cultures. Media literacy encompasses the skills needed to be able to access, analyze, and critically evaluate different forms of media. Media literacy includes the ability to be able to understand the author's point of view, the media's intended messages, and any biases that the media is attempting to disseminate. Examples of media include newspapers, magazines, television news, radio news, websites, advertisements, and social media. Visual literacy is the ability to negotiate, interpret, and evaluate the meaning of information presented in an image. It is how people understand and perceive objects, symbols, signs, and other graphic images. It is connected to many disciplines, such as education, art history, rhetoric, semiotics, and graphic design. And that concludes our lesson on the different types of literacies.